20th of April 2024. It's also amazing. We have Björnsonsgatan 164 here in Blackeberg, Stockholm, Sweden. And this has the capacity of 8 persons, 4, 6 and 8 rooms, and was built in 1996 by DEVE-Schindler. It's probably the beginning of 1996, it looks like that. It's rare, of course, these rare windows.
Yeah.
Also don't get many doors, same shape as on the manual doors. And inside it has the flat TV buttons with the buttons.
Yeah.
Timber is 104.74. Let's say 8%, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
8% 6 grams, and you're getting all of the 10 elevators here filmed, so you can watch all of them.
Yeah.
As we luckily found the code here. And luckily so, because it's so rare.
Yeah.
And that's amazing.
Inspekteert bare gevejsbetalt med den DEVE-Schindler.
Back to the car floor. You have to record.
Yeah.
You want to see like a button flashing out and door opening.
That's
That's it, thank you.